Yes, our video today will talk about why you should not leave your phones in a technician's shop. These are phones that have been left severally, I think some for 2 years, 3 years, some even 2 months. There are several. So I want us today to talk about why you should not leave your phone. Check. These are phones left at the shop. They are labeled and kept well, arranged well. These are phones left. Just come with me. There are several phones left there by customers in my shop. Several these. Some were left long time ago that I don't even know how I put them there. So these are phones left here. So normally when you leave phones, phone repair. These are businesses. So if you leave your phone to the technician's shop, many things normally happen. Like the storage, sometimes there are phones that, for example, you brought a phone, we put for you the screen. You fix the screen, leave the phone there. When it stays so long, the dust, everything that is normally there, you make the phone get other problems that were not brought up. But to talk about that as a technician, you normally don't get disease. So try as best. A good customer goes with the phone, gets fixed. I think the longest a phone can take when the problem is too much, something like a day. But as quick, if the problem is not much, it is being made for, I think, something like 2 days maximum. Minimum is 10 minutes, it will depend on the. So whenever you leave your phone here, some people normally complain of them technicians removing things from phone or damaging it. If you bring a phone for the screen to be fixed, you fix the screen, how money will be added there. So we normally don't take money from customers before giving our services. So you get the phone is there, you think the phone things have been removed, but you see these all drugs, the conditions, you get the battery has swollen, everything. Now next video I'll do about the swelling of batteries. I'm looking for one here. I don't think if I'll locate it, but I think that one will let me much. No, it's not there. So you get several complications when placed there, because when they are there, we don't normally take. We keep them away, but taking care of it is what sometimes get difficult because we deal with several things. So you get a phone without, maybe earpiece was the problem, you move the earpiece, hit the phone, when the phone enters, you get screen, the stacking here can make the screen break, the cold here can make the camera won't be clear, several things. So if you take your phone with you, it will be safe as it will detect care. But the stacking here normally damages the phone, and that is a bit costly. So things people complain about technicians moving. It is very rare because when I fix your phone, I need the money. So I'll not remove something because when you bring the phone, when you take the phone and it's not working, you won't pay. So we do try as we can, very best. We do our best to keep your phone. But the longer it stays, the longer the damage is. Just like a car placed in the garage for long. You get the wheels damage, the rust and everything. No, a phone is a machine like a car. And that's what brings the difference. So normally take your phone. You go to a technician, pick your phone, go with. If your phone has any problem, before the shorter the period, the harder the problem. The longer the period, the problem. So try as soon as you can to take your phone so that you stop the blame games. You see they are stuck here several. These are things I deal with. So wherever I say, that is what normally happens if you leave your phone at the phone. Technicians also try as you can carry your phone. If you are not free, well now something like 3 days to 4 days or 5, understandable, but a week and above. Some even leave them for 2 years, 1 year, and everything. We normally don't misplace phones, but there are occurrences that normally come. That's why we do charge several codes. Thanks for watching. We'll be uploading several videos here, tutorials, information, educative. So if you subscribe, that gives you another good chance of learning more and more. Subscribe, share, do all that as we are learning. That will help you out. Knowledge is power, they normally say. Thank you and welcome.